How to fix purple flash when closing apps on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then you want to tap on settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we scroll down and tap on display and text size. In here, make sure you turn off reduce transparency. So by turning this off, it will not interfere with your screen color. For some reason, after updating to iOS 26.1, some people experiencing purple flash when they are closing apps in here. So by simply switching off reduce transparency from the accessibility settings, that problems will go away. So hopefully it's just a simple bug that will be fixed in future update, or if you update your iOS to 26.2, that can also resolve the problem. So you can go into settings, software update, and make sure you update your iOS to 26.2 later. Thank you for watching this video.